Hey guys, it's Paul from Alexander Knife Sharpening and Laser Engraving. I wanted to share you something I'm doing right now. I just sold a knife. Thanks to one of the channel followers. Somebody recommended to his wife, who's a real estate agent, it would be a great real estate home warming gift. So they bought a knife. They bought a Taski Japanese. And I've told you guys before, I am making custom knife protectors for it out of TPU. We're going to print the Taski logo on it. The knife protector is very specific. The spine side goes up and the blade goes down. So I added a knife spine and blade edge. And if this comes out real well, I'm going to see also if the real estate agent wants to put from and her name or anything like that on there. But first we're going to do the logo and knife spine and blade edge to see how that comes out. So this was a pretty easy engraving. It was just 3 initials, CJC, up in the normal spot there where you tend to put them on most knives. And there you can see the finished engraving. But let's get back to doing the nice sleeve and showing you guys the new UV printer from EufyMake. And this is the Taski Japanese knife, and it's a pretty nice knife. I like this one a lot. It retails for right around $160. Comes with a really nice gift box. To give you guys an idea of how this transaction went down, this was actually a video clip that I sent the realtor, and I told her this is the knife sleeve that I make for these knives, but on the back I could engrave something. Well, it's not engraving, I'm thinking lasers. I could UV print something else on here, like a thank you message from her, and she said, oh, that would be awesome. She sent me what she wanted put on the back of the knife sleeve, and I UV printed it onto the knife sleeve for her, and it literally took like 4 minutes. So this is the EufyMake printer down here just below. That's really cool. I didn't even know it had a light that turned on inside, and there we go. And it came out great. I mean, I'm really thrilled with this, and it looks really nice. We picked a real nice hand script there, and there you go. There's a nice picture of it at the end. And I love when you can get a new machine and work it right into your sales and how things work in your shop right away. And for anybody that's interested, I'll leave links to the EufyMake UV printer. It's the E1 in the description of the video, and I'll be continuing to share more content with this new tool. It's really cool. Have a great day, everybody.